Mr. Glass Premium Screen Protector for your product. Let's take a look and see what it looks like and what they give you. Got a case. Your screen is in here. One. A user manual. Looks like a scraper or something. 2 cleaning cloths. And a second one. So this we don't need. We only need one. I'm going to put that away. Put it to the side. They say to watch their video on how to do it. It's 9H hardness, HD clear, easy to install, bubble-free, anti-fingerproof prints. Step 1 is hard to read. I don't know if you could read that. Clean, fit, try, smooth out. See what they give you. Dust absorber. All this dust absorber is a little sticker that takes off any dust. The machine wakes up no matter what. Clean it, lint-free cloth. Get your fingerprints off. Now, I could buy just the glass, right? But this has got a nice crack, 2 cracks, all shattered. And it works for me. Finger press and slide. I don't get it. I'm not going to try to figure that out. Peel this off. Fit on, pull the plug out, snap this into place.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Finger press and slide. Nothing's there. This is now garbage. And then you take this rubber tool And you simply get the bubbles out. Bubble and bubble. The one thing this doesn't give you is for the camera. It doesn't give you anything to protect. Over here, works. I have successfully fixed my iPad 11 second generation with premium screen protector by Mr. Glass without taking off the actual glass or the diffuser or using any special tools, heating pads whatsoever. Check out Mr. Glass, excellent product indeed. If you ever break your glass and you cannot afford, definitely indeed, look at that. Works with even paper.